The way we move goods and people is changing faster than ever before. At the heart of this transformation are autonomous machines powered by robotics. From self-driving trucks to automated delivery drones, logistics is going fully hands-free. These machines are faster, safer, and smarter than human-operated systems. They do not rest, they do not make mistakes, and they never get distracted. Global supply chains are being restructured by robotic intelligence and precision. Every package, vehicle, and container is now part of a coordinated digital system. This is not a future vision, it is already happening around the world. Let us explore how autonomous machines are reshaping transportation and logistics forever. And if you love future tech, like this video and subscribe for more breakthroughs. 1. What are autonomous machines? Autonomous machines are systems that perform tasks without direct human control. They use sensors, AI, and robotics to move, decide, and react in real time. These machines include self-driving cars, warehouse robots, and automated drones. They perceive the world using cameras, lidar, radar, and GPS. Their brains are advanced algorithms that learn and adapt from data. They avoid obstacles, follow rules, and make decisions without needing a human pilot. In transportation, they replace drivers, operators, and manual laborers. In logistics, they move packages, track inventory, and even load or unload goods. Autonomous machines are the next step in making movement more efficient. And they are transforming how industries think about time, cost, and safety. 2. Robotics in warehousing and fulfillment. Warehouses are the launchpad for robotic automation in logistics. Companies like Amazon use fleets of robots to pick, pack, and transport goods. These robots move across warehouse floors, guided by sensors and AI maps. They bring shelves to workers instead of workers walking to shelves. This increases speed, reduces errors, and lowers human fatigue. Robots also sort packages by destination and prepare them for shipping. They work 24/7 and require only minimal maintenance or supervision. Autonomous forklifts and drones handle heavier tasks inside large distribution centers. This means orders are processed faster and more accurately than ever before. The warehouse of the future is already fully robotic. 3. Self-driving trucks and freight transport. Self-driving trucks are revolutionizing long-distance freight movement. These vehicles use radar, cameras, and AI to drive without human input. They maintain safe distances, follow traffic rules, and monitor road conditions constantly. Autonomous trucks reduce accidents caused by fatigue or distraction. They can operate non-stop, eliminating mandatory rest breaks. This drastically improves delivery times across countries and continents. Major logistics firms are already testing or deploying autonomous fleets. They also save fuel by optimizing acceleration and braking in real time. These trucks lower shipping costs while boosting safety and reliability. They are becoming a backbone of modern logistics infrastructure. 4. Drones in last-mile delivery. Drones are bringing a new speed to local deliveries. They fly over traffic and deliver packages directly to doorsteps. With GPS and vision systems, drones find precise drop locations easily. Retailers use them to deliver medicines, groceries, and urgent parcels. They reduce delivery times from hours to just minutes. Drones can reach remote areas where roads are limited or blocked. They are powered by AI to avoid birds, buildings, and power lines. Some countries already use them for medical supply deliveries to rural clinics. Their environmental footprint is lower than fuel-powered vehicles. Drones are making the last mile smarter and cleaner. 5. Ports and airports go autonomous. Ports and airports are complex environments now managed by autonomous machines. Automated cranes load and unload containers with precision and speed. Autonomous trucks and shuttles move goods across terminals without drivers. Robotic baggage systems handle luggage from check-in to airplane storage. At shipping ports, AI manages container stacking and routing to reduce delays. Self-driving yard tractors organize trailers and prepare cargo for transit. These machines communicate with each other to avoid collisions and bottlenecks. Automation improves efficiency and reduces wait times for cargo and passengers. Global trade becomes faster and more reliable through robotic logistics. Smart ports and airports are hubs of autonomous coordination. 6. Real-time data and smart routing. Robotic logistics depends on real-time data to make smart decisions. Sensors on trucks, drones, and packages collect live information constantly. AI analyzes this data to choose the best routes and delivery schedules. Traffic, weather, and road closures are considered automatically. This prevents delays and optimizes fuel usage. Logistics managers track everything from a digital dashboard in real time. Automated systems reroute vehicles instantly when problems arise. Predictive analytics also help plan inventory and restocking efficiently. Data turns autonomous machines into responsive, intelligent systems. It makes logistics faster, cheaper, and more accurate at every level. 7. Safety and regulation of autonomous transport. Safety is the top priority for autonomous transportation systems. Robots follow strict protocols and safety algorithms to prevent accidents. They are tested under extreme conditions before going live. Governments are creating regulations to govern their deployment. Licensing, insurance, and operational standards are evolving for these technologies. Safety systems include emergency brakes, collision avoidance, and human override options. Autonomous vehicles also log every movement for traceability and auditing. These systems are often safer than human-operated ones, thanks to rapid data processing. With proper oversight, robotics can reduce transport-related injuries and fatalities. Safe automation is the key to public trust and widespread adoption. 8. Environmental impact and sustainability. Autonomous machines also contribute to greener logistics systems. They reduce carbon emissions by optimizing routes and fuel consumption. Electric-powered drones and delivery bots produce no direct emissions. Efficient robotics lead to less waste and better use of resources. Cleaner logistics systems support global climate goals and sustainability plans. Factories and supply chains that use automation cut their environmental impact. Energy-efficient warehouses use smart lighting and climate control. Electric self-driving trucks lower pollution on highways and city roads. As cities adopt green logistics, autonomous machines will play a vital role. Sustainability and technology are moving forward together. 9. Challenges in adopting autonomous logistics. Adopting robotic logistics is not without challenges. High initial costs can deter smaller businesses from automation. AI systems need constant updates and real-time data to work properly. Cybersecurity risks increase as more devices connect to cloud systems. Weather and environmental obstacles still limit drone and robot operations. Regulatory uncertainty slows down implementation in many countries. Public trust in robotic systems must be built over time. Legacy infrastructure may need upgrades to support autonomous systems. Workforce transitions and retraining are also essential for smooth adoption. Despite challenges, the shift to autonomy continues to gain momentum. 10. The future of autonomous logistics. The future of logistics will be fully autonomous, connected, and efficient. AI will manage entire supply chains with minimal human input. Hyperloop and electric delivery pods may redefine short-haul transport. Robots will manage not just movement, but also forecasting and inventory. Self-healing systems will fix faults before breakdowns happen. Blockchain may track goods through every stage with perfect transparency. Urban air mobility will introduce flying cargo drones at scale. Smart cities will integrate autonomous logistics into public infrastructure. This is not a trend, it is a complete transformation. And it is arriving faster than anyone expected. Autonomous machines are rewriting the rules of transportation and logistics. They move faster, work smarter, and never sleep or make costly errors. Robotics, AI, and real-time data now control the movement of the modern world. From warehouses to highways, drones to delivery bots, the revolution is here. Every shipment, every delivery, every mile is now being optimized by machines. The future is autonomous, and it is more efficient than ever imagined. If you want to stay ahead in the tech world, you must follow these changes. The age of robotic logistics has only just begun, and there is no going back. Like, subscribe, and follow us for more updates on the future of automation. Your next delivery might already be handled by a machine.